Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices. This saves time and avoids connection errors. First, identify the host device that will share its mobile or wired internet via Bluetooth and the client device that will consume it. Once done, enable Bluetooth on both devices and make them discoverable. On the host, enable Bluetooth tethering or PAN in network settings. Make sure battery and permissions are sufficient so the link can form reliably, because discovery and pairing are prerequisites to network setup. You now pair and configure the network so traffic can flow. Pair the devices in Bluetooth settings, confirm PINs, and accept any connection requests. This creates the secure link. Next, on the host, turn on Bluetooth tethering or personal area network sharing and pick internet sharing. Then, on the client, choose the Bluetooth network adapter or PAN connection as the active network. Once configured, verify the Bluetooth network connection shows listed IP or link local address. That tells you routing can start. You finish by testing and resolving common failures so the setup is reliable. Try loading a web page or pinging 8 to confirm internet reaches the client. If it works, you're done. If not, toggle Bluetooth tethering on the host, disable and re-enable Bluetooth, or unpair and repair the devices to clear pairing issues. Also make sure firewalls, data limits, or carrier tethering restrictions aren't blocking the session. Adjusting those settings typically fixes the remaining problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.